The train journey from Zurich to Interlaken is one of the most popular and beautiful rail trips in Switzerland, offering a smooth and scenic ride to the heart of the country. The journey starts from Zurich Hauptbahnhof and the main railway station in Zurich and ends at Interlaken OST, which is the main gateway to the Swiss Alps. The total distance between Zurich and Interlaken is about 120 kilometers. The average travel time is around 1 hour 50 minutes to 2 hours and 10 minutes, depending on the type of train and the number of connections. There is no direct train in most cases, so travelers usually make one change along the way. The most common and convenient connection is through Bern, the capital of Switzerland. From Zurich, Hauptbahnhof trains run frequently to Bern Bahnhof, and then from Bern, another train continues to Interlaken OST. Some routes may also pass through Lucerne, especially if travelers choose scenic connections, but Bern remains the fastest option. Major stations during the journey include Zurich, HP, Bernhund, Spies, and Interlaken OST. The section between Thun and Interlaken is especially scenic as the train runs alongside Lake Thun with stunning views of mountains and water. Trains between Zurich and Interlaken run very frequently throughout the day. On average, there are around 30 to 40 train connections daily, with departures roughly every 30 minutes and sometimes even every 15 minutes during peak hours. The first train usually starts early in the morning and around 5 a.m., while the last trains depart close to midnight. This makes it easy for travelers to plan their trip without worrying about limited schedule. The trains used on this route include intercity and interregio trains, which are modern, comfortable, and equipped with large windows, luggage space, restrooms, and on-board food services. The standard one-way ticket price for the Zurich to Interlaken journey is about 55 to 75 Swiss francs in second class, depending on the time of travel and flexibility of the ticket. The first class tickets usually cost between 95 and 130 Swiss francs. Travelers using a Swiss travel pass, half fare card, or 7-day pass can significantly reduce the cost. Tickets can be purchased online at ticket machines or at station counters. I hope you like this video. For more videos like that, please like, share and subscribe this channel.